Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's PHIESTINA bathroom faucets. So I did the unboxing last time with this one, but unfortunately the 3 holes were too big compared to the existing one that was in my boys' bathrooms. So when I measure the existing one, the dimension for this is only 1.25 inch, and I believe this one might be like 2 inch. So it's too big. So before you purchase new faucet, you want to go ahead and make sure it is correct size. You can see this one is too big as well. And I have sinks in the master bathroom. Some of the middle faucet, it is big like this, but both handle with a smaller hole, so this will not work anyway. At first I thought I might keep this one, but unfortunately we need to return it. This one was $59.99, and then the new one that we got is $49.99. But if you purchase 2, you get an additional 5% discount with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is the 4 inch. And then the faucet, and then both of the handle, it is combined together. As you can see, it is in a smaller box. So hopefully this is the correct one. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Please do not use any cleaner to clean faucet. So this is the 4 inch. Got the faucet right in the middle, and then a handle on the left and right hand side. They also come with this Allen key with the blue and red the rubber. They also come with this drain, so in case your old one is messed up, you could install the new one. And then come with the hose. And this is it. You need to remove this cap. So this one's allow you to turn 360 degrees. I'm not sure why. And there's a hot and cold. Anyway, let's go ahead and do some installation. I already took out the existing Delta faucet already, so let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so since I removed the old one already, because the hot side, when I turn it on from the old Delta, And then when I turn on the cold water, somehow the handle has a water overflowing and then drain down there and causing the water damage on the bottom. So this is what it looks like, but unfortunately it doesn't have the pull up for the drain. So we had to remove the old one. So we installing under the cabinets. Okay, I'll do a test fit right now, and if I need to adjust it forward, backward, or whatever. So yeah, with this drain plug, it's supposed to have a pull up. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna work this thing. So, oh, nice. This one is the push and pop up style, so I don't need to have the pull up. Cool. Nice design. And then when you remove this, there's a strainer right here, so the hair or diamond will not fall into the drain. That's a pretty awesome design. Alright, so I'm going to loosen this up. It's counterclockwise. Alright, you're going to remove that screw right here. Alright, so I'm going to use this channel plier to loosen this up. And this one you got to do it clockwise, you know, to loosen up that screw. And after you loosen up this screw for the ball joint to remove from the drain, you're just gonna turn this, okay? And see if you can remove it. Yeah, I'm going to remove this side too to loosen up so this thing can come down. Yeah, so you need to loosen this, okay? You gotta be careful, they might have a nasty water, so I'm gonna use two hands in case you wanna have some kind of rag that's or put some kind of pot on the bottom to get all the nasty water out. Oh, see, it's dripping already. Let me go get a bucket. Look at that, so nasty. And this is what it look like after I remove it. Dripping down there, water. Well, unfortunately, the old one that I removed has a broken rim. So somehow this one is the whole piece together. So I will need to cut this off. And then pull off on the top. Because this is like a one piece. I will need to use my reciprocating saw and then put the one that cut the metal blade in order to cut this off right here, this section. Okay, this is how I cut it. Now I'm gonna remove this screw again. Oh, I tied it because so it won't move around. Well, I gotta hold it from the top because it's turning at the same time. Alright, so after I unscrew this nasty rubber stuff, and then I can push up now. Okay? Just take out the whole thing. Ugh. Nasty. Wow. It's all caulk. There's a hole for the overflow, and look at all the stuff down there. It's all caulk. I need to clean it up. Remove the screw and then the flanges. I'm gonna install this new one in there, and I clean it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna do a test fit. Now I'm gonna go down there, put these flanges on, and then this plastic, and then screw it back on. Alright, so make sure the flanges cover the hole right there. Don't put it outside or you're gonna have leaks. And then this plastic piece right in between the screw and then the flanges. And you're gonna screw this on slowly and smoothly. So these flanges could go tight evenly. And so I'm going to do two hands now. One's holding this, and the other one I'm going to use a plier to tie it up. Alright, so everything put back together. And you want to turn on the water, hot and cold, to test out the water. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay. If you want a water stopper, just push it down and let go of the water, push up, and that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.